Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diamond. I lost over 60 pounds with the information that I'm sharing with you, and I'm here to help you lose weight and reclaim your health. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about why calorie counting is not working for you and what alternative method you should be using for weight loss. Okay. Now, the reason why I don't like calorie counting is because calorie counting fights against your metabolic state. Okay, I'm going to get deeper into that later on in the video, but calorie counting does not get to the root of the problem when it comes to being overweight. The root of the problem when it comes to being overweight is not just that you're eating too many calories. The problem is that your metabolism is not set up for fat burning. Your metabolism is set up to use sugar for energy. So for any of you guys who have been curious as to why you struggle with having so many cravings, why you have so much hunger, why you feel like you can't stop eating, why you keep gaining weight, it's because your metabolism is different from that of a naturally thin person. A naturally thin person's metabolism is using body fat for energy. A person that is overweight or obese and struggling with their weight, they are using sugar for energy. So it's two different energy sources, two different fuels that they're using. And so a fat person that is struggling with their weight, since their body is using sugar for energy, they're going to crave sugar more and more. Their bodies are going to demand sugar more and more. But if you were able to switch your body into a state of burning fat for energy, you wouldn't have such terrible cravings and insatiable hunger like you do now, to where you would need to count your calories because you naturally wouldn't be so hungry. Now, if you want to learn step by step how to switch your metabolism to that of a thin person, how to tap into fat burning and lose weight, I have an ebook linked down below. It is over 65 pages of super valuable information that has helped me and countless others lose significant amounts of weight. So check it out. I also have a 4-week meal plan with meals that literally taste like cheat meals, and it's going to help you stay on track and keep you in a state of fat burning and losing weight. So check that out as well. But like I was saying, guys, calorie counting does not get to the root of the problem when it comes to obesity. And that's why you always fall off your diet, because here's the problem. If you're someone that is obese, you have the metabolism of an obese person. And counting calories, all it's doing is keeping your metabolism the same way, keeping you hungry, keeping you having all these sugar cravings, but forcing you to eat less, forcing you to not satisfy the cravings. What I'm teaching you how to do is to not even have the cravings, how to not even have the hunger to begin with. And that starts by switching your metabolism over to a state of fat burning. That way you don't need to count calories. You don't need to weigh your food on a scale or anything like that. It's the real problem when it comes to obesity is the fact that people are eating too much sugar, too much carbohydrates, and too much processed food. And that is exactly why people are big. It's not just the calories, you guys. It's the fact that you're eating food that is lacking nutritional value, and therefore you are spiking your blood sugar, which is making you have more and more cravings, making you hungrier, spiking your insulin. And when your insulin is high, guess what? You can't tap into fat burning. So the issue here is not just the calories and a calorie surplus. The issue here is the kind of food that you're eating. The kind of food that you're eating is what tells your body what to do with it. Okay? If you're eating protein, if you're eating carbs, if you're eating sugar, if you're eating fat, if you're eating fiber, it's going to all react differently within your body. So stop counting calories. Focus on tapping into fat burning by not eating so much carbs and sugar. That's one of the biggest ways to do that. Focus on the content of the food that you're eating. Don't focus on the calories. The issue here is that when people focus on calories, they're not focusing on the content of their food. And so they sneak in a lot of processed food, a lot of sugar, a lot of carbs, and think, well, it's in my calorie deficit. Yes, but it's also making you hungrier. Yes, but it's also making you have more cravings, right? Yes, but it's also lacking nutritionally. So focus on the content of your food. I lost over 60 pounds and I did not count a single calorie because I was more concerned with keeping my carbs and sugar low, making sure that I wasn't eating unhealthy processed foods, making sure that I was eating real food, whole foods that are natural and normal for humans to be eating. A lot of these foods that we have out here are not normal, and they slap the label of low calorie on it or low sugar on it, and people think it's good for you, and it's not. And that's exactly why so many people are fat. That's exactly why so many people are struggling to lose weight and keep it off. Okay, I've made videos about this in the past. Definitely check out my last couple videos because I did talk about the difference in metabolism between a naturally thin person and an obese person. So definitely check out my past few videos. I really hope this video was helpful, informative. Definitely comment down below what you guys want me to talk about next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.